In this video, I'm going to show you how I took a standard 7-way trailer connector, which we're all familiar with, and turned it into a hidden air chuck. It might get a little lengthy, so go ahead and fast forward. You won't hurt my feelings. All right, let's go through what we're working with here. We have the Hopkins 7-blade vehicle trailer harness connector. Which is the standard 7-way. We have the ARB air chuck. And we have this adapter from Amazon. The idea here is to thread this in like this, cut this off, mount that there, and all the guts will be inside here. Just so you know what this costs, this little guy was 16 bucks. The ARB air chuck, 25 bucks. This fitting, 16 bucks. Total of 57 bucks plus tax. So it's not cheap, but should be cool. All right, let's see if it works. There we go. Just curious if that. Ooh, dang! We just. Huh? That might be dynamite. So. All right, I like that. Let's cut this off. All right, well, we have a vise. Let's use it. Is that in the photo? Yeah, sure. Okay. Well, I'm going to move over to the bench sander and we'll get this cleaned up. All right, let's go for this. Cool. Just gonna drill that puppy out, grab ourselves a steppy step bit. Ooh. Oh man, it's like it's made for it. fits so well that it just bites inside there. Who needs a wrench when you have a vise? My God, that's almost insanity. Okay, that's got to go. All right, let's get some of this junk out of the way here. Always cut toward yourself. That's what I learned. That's not going to work. Look at that. Concealed. All right. Clean this sucker up. A little bit of pipe dope. Probably way too much. Using this thing that looks like a butter knife. I have no idea what it's for, but it fits in there beautifully. Ooh, so close. But as this gets tightened down, it pushes on this this collar. So we need to remove that rib. I'm assuming this is a dumb idea, but let's see. Oh, maybe not. Not so dumb after all. Still good on pipe dope. Sweet. Let's see if she works. That's not the right fitting. Let's grab something else. Haha, that's pretty cool. So I don't know if you can see it there, but I don't know why I'm holding this up above my head, but why not? When you insert your coupling or your fitting, the coupling pushes out. So from there, you just push it with your finger. Back in it goes, nice and flush. Done deal. See if you can see that pop out. And then away it goes. There's your 1/4-inch pipe thread fitting and done. Pretty cool. All right, that's it. So we got ourselves a 1 3/4-inch diameter hole saw to blow through the bumper. Gotta admit, pretty excited about this. Air up, away, done, gone, the end.